Yo, how's it going, fam? Currently, I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade. This is gonna be for gold. Now, currently, what I'm seeing on this area, I'm seeing that market is in a very, very major supply and demand zone, which is something I want to take in consideration, right? This is gonna be a easy, fast trade setup. When it comes to this scenario, you don't want to go ahead and overcomplicate when it comes to indices, when it comes to commodities. You want to go straight to it. So when it comes to this scenario, I'm seeing that market has created some very, very nice price action right here in the zone. I'm looking to sell. I'm actually already in on the sell, and my stop is going to be right above. This is leading us for a good risk to reward. Entries at around 1906.65. Take profit. We can move this over to 90 and then move this over to 50. Right? I just wanted to go ahead and be very even. When it comes to this scenario, you're looking at this nice 1 to 5 risk to reward. I'm going to be taking partials once I see market trading that 1 to 3 risk to reward, which is going to be at around the 118.95 level. So 118.95 level is going to be an area where I'm going to be taking partials. 95 level. There we go. And that would lead us for a good 1 to 3 risk to reward. So that's going to be a little area I'll be paying attention to. But for right now, I'm letting this run. As far as when it comes to gold, this is going to be an overall potential 1 to 5. Can potentially continue on going here further. But at a 1 to 3, you definitely want to go ahead and take partials and also move your stop loss right here. So with that said, I'll see you at the next one. We'll see how the update goes. But for right now, I'm selling gold.